Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a laptop to a monitor. As you can see right here, I have a flat screen monitor right here, and I'm going to connect it using HDMI. So this is a laptop, and all I'm going to do is look for the USB port on the laptop. As you can see, it is right here, and I'm going to just go ahead and put this inside. Just give it a little bit of a push right there, just like that, and it clips in, and you can see that the screen a little bit moves, or let's say shows that something is connected to the computer, and you will see right here that it connects and it's turned on over there. Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel, and of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now, let's continue. And that's it. Now, once you connect the monitor to your computer, you may want to change the settings, and you may want to just right click and you want to look for the display settings. You go inside here, and once you're inside the display settings, you can change the settings right here at the top right. It may say duplicate, it might say show on one or show on two. You can choose to extend, and then you can also go ahead and move around the second monitor to the way you want. You can always choose the way how you want to move them. Once you're done, you click on apply and you're good to go, guys.